Welcome to Anya's kitchen. Today we are showing you how to make Hungarian roast chicken. The ingredients that we need for the Hungarian roast chicken are chicken drumsticks, and we'll need some spices, which are cumin seeds, paprika, pepper, marjoram, oregano and salt. And you will need some oil because we'll marinate it. You will also need a baking tray. Optionally, you can use some garlic. Just cut them into tiny pieces. To make it easier to peel the garlic, we have a trick. Crush it first. Then you see it peels off very easily. And now cut the hard edge off. Once you peeled the whole thing, you wash it. I halved them. And then I crushed them again. And then I chopped them. And then I crushed them with the side of the knife. We wash all of the drumsticks. If you are dieting or you don't want the skin, then you can easily take it off. And cut it off. I put the garlic into a bowl and put some oil in with it. So I put some of the spices in it. So first of all I put the cumin. Then the pepper. Then I put the marjoram. And the oregano. And then the paprika. And the salt. I mix it all together. And then I spread it onto the drumsticks. We left the skin on some of them because we do like the skin. And we do the same for the ones that we took the skin off. We have put all the chicken into the tray and we put some extra salt because the salt wasn't enough for us, and some pepper. I put a foil on it. And put it in the fridge. We turn the oven on to 190 degrees Celsius. You should leave the drumsticks in the fridge for at least an hour to marinate them. but it's best if you leave them overnight. We'll take it out and put it into the oven. The oven should be preheated. So now we'll cook it for a while. We've put it in on 190 degrees Celsius, and in half an hour we'll turn them around and check them. After half an hour of cooking in the oven, I take the chicken out, take the foil off carefully because it's hot, and turn them around. You can see how one side is cooked and one side isn't, so this is essential. Turn them all around. Make sure that they cook on their raw side as well. I put a little bit more oil on it. I think I'll have to cook this for another half an hour. I put it back in the oven. After half an hour more of cooking the chicken in the oven after we turn them around, take the foil off. After an hour and 15 minutes of cooking overall, we turn the chicken around. I don't like their color yet, so I put them back in the oven. After 1.5 hours of cooking, we turn the oven off and we take the chicken out of the oven. It will be nice and crispy. The Hungarian roast chicken is now ready. We usually serve it with cooked or fried potatoes or rice. Enjoy!